Today, ang gagawin natin ay magmukbang tayo ng cherry tomato. Ang sarap nito, guys. So, ilan ba ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
We're going to start tearing up your bathtub tomorrow.
Okay. So, ito yung snacks ko ngayon, guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Sobrang tamis ito. Galing sa garden ng aking kaibigan. Kaya ito na, umpisahan na natin kasi medyo nagutom na. Ayan, sarap po. Pulang-pula. Sarap. Sobrang sarap, guys. Pangatlo na. Masarap siya na snacks, guys. Ayun. May nakaano sa ngipin ko. Marami pa. Kahapon ito na ang snacks ko pero nakalimutan ko mag-video, so ngayon pakita ko na sa inyo. Parang grapes lang guys. Parang grapes lang siya, guys. Nayayap sa aking pizzaya. Kalahati na, guys, ang naubos ko. Very juicy and sweet.
Hello.
Hi, Frank. This is Julie May with Associate Benefits.
Hi, Julie.
Hi. So, did you owe any money for additional tickets?
Sarap talaga.
No.
Okay, so then they were put in the mail this past Friday.
Okay, so maybe I'll get them in the mail today when they deliver.
Should be today, I would think.
Okay, thank you, Julie, for returning my call.
Oh, you're welcome. Have a
Tatlo
good
na
day.
lang.
Enjoy the event.
You too, bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Honey,
Huh?
maybe we can drop on the new store.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm home.
Yeah. Ubos na, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.